Hello everyone, my name is Roshni Gorathe. Today is 17 May and today's video topic is exception handling in Java. So let's see. First we see what is exception. The exception is unwanted or abnormal condition that occur during execution of program. Means when it occur during execution of a program, that time it disturb the normal flow of the program, so that is called as exception. Then next we see what is exception handling. The exception handling is a powerful mechanism in which we handle the runtime error. uh, uh, that time we handle the runtime error, so our normal flow of the program can be maintained. So it is most important mechanism in Java. There are many type of exception in Java, like runtime exception, array out of bound exception, SQL exception, IO exception, etc. Then we see advantages of exception. The advantages of exception are because of exception, our normal flow of the program can be maintained and it is an alternative way to run our program in the right way. Then next we see the difference between exception and error. In that, first, object class is a parent class of all the classes. Then the throwable class is a parent class of exception and error class. Um, then difference between exception and error. First, in exception, the exception is occur by the programmer, but in error class the error are occur because of lack of system resources, means lack of memory space, RAM, etc. Then second difference is the exception is handled by the programmer, but error cannot be handled by the programmer. Then in exception there are two types. Checked exception means compile time exception, and unchecked exception means runtime exception. And in error there are only one type of exception, means it is unchecked exception. Then next we see the different types of exception. There are mainly two type of exception: unchecked exception, checked exception, and also there are third is error. First we see checked exception. In checked exception, in the throwable class is a parent class of all classes. When the class directly inherit the throwable class except the runtime exception, it is called as checked exception. And the checked exception are IO exception, SQL exception. The checked exception checked at a compile time. Then second exception is unchecked exception. The unchecked exception, the class that directly inherit runtime exception, it is called as unchecked exception. The unchecked exceptions are arithmetic exception, array out of bound exception, null pointer exception, etc. Then third is the error. The error is irrecoverable, means it is produce lack of system resources. There are different types of exception in error, like memory full error, virtual memory error, etc. So that is about the exception. Then how can we handle the exception? We can handle exception by using try and catch keyword. In try block we write a statement that throw the exception, means it is risky code. And in catch block, that we write the exception handle code. uh, and also we write there finally block, we write closing the file, means if we open the any database file in the try block, that time that file close in the finally block. And finally block is execute at any condition if the execution is if the exception is handled or not handled. it execute at any condition. Then next is the in that also two keyword, throw and throws keyword. Throw keyword is used to manually create exception by the programmer, and it hand over the JVM. And then throws keyword, throws keyword is it indicate the caller method, means it indicate the caller method. Here is exception. If you want to accept, if you want to use that method, then first you have to handle that exception, then you use. So that is all about the exception handling in Java. Thank you.